want to be here. I'm just gonna go. Don't you dare run away, child.
Sign in the kiosk over there.
Come on, let's go sign in.
Ugh, fine. Now let's step into my office. What seems to be your daughter's main complaint?
Her throat really hurts and she has a fever.
Is your daughter fully vaccinated against coronavirus?
No, she has not been fully vaccinated against COVID-19 yet.
I'm convinced we have to test her for COVID-19.
I don't want that swab up my nose. Well, lady, she hasn't even been exposed to anybody with COVID-19.
Let me look in your throat. Say, ah. Her throat's irritated. She's got coronavirus.
I don't have that. Can we check her out fully and test her fully before you jump to conclusions? Thank you very much.